Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. Welcome back to Jannah's world, where the stories of the prophets live on as light for our hearts. Today's story is about a man whose strength wasn't in his muscles, but in his heart. The man who lost everything, yet never lost faith. This is the story of Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam, the man Allah Ta'ala called an excellent servant. Ayyub alayhi salam was once surrounded by blessings, wealth, land, family, and health. But his greatest treasure was gratitude. He thanked Allah Ta'ala when he was full, and he thanked Allah Ta'ala when he was hungry. His home was a place of charity, his tongue a river of dhikr. Then came a test that would echo through history. Wealth vanished, his fields dried, his animals perished, his children passed away. Then his body itself was struck. Pain spread through every limb. Yet, even as the world turned away, his heart whispered, Alhamdulillah. Only one soul remained beside him, his faithful wife, whose love was stronger than despair. Sickness days stretched into months, then many years. Ayyub alayhi salam lay ill, too weak to work, too gentle to complain. He never asked Allah Ta'ala to remove the pain. He feared sounding ungrateful. Instead, he filled the night with tasbih and dhikr. His wife would go out to find food and care for him. At first, some neighbors helped out of respect for her husband's old kindness. But as his illness continued, fear grew. People began to whisper that his disease was contagious, that his misfortune might touch them. One by one, even those who once loved them refused to give her word. She would return home empty-handed, her hands trembling, her heart aching, yet still smiling and caring for her husband. As the hardship deepened, his wife tried to find work to feed them. But people became afraid of Ayyub's illness and would no longer hire her. Some reports say that when there was nothing left to sell and no one wanted to help, she sold a lock of her hair to buy food for her husband. When Ayyub alayhi salam saw what she had done out of love and desperation, his heart filled with sorrow, not for himself, but for her. After years of patient silence, he turned to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, not in complaint, but in humility, and made the gentle du'a that would change everything. My Lord, harm has touched you, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. So Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala answered him, removed his suffering, restored his family to him, even doubled their number. Then came the miracle. Allah Ta'ala asked him to strike the ground with his foot. As soon as he did, the earth split. A spring burst forth, clear, cool, alive. He drank from it, bathed in it, and in an instant the pain left his body. His strength returned, his skin was renewed, and his face shone with light again. Soon, his wife returned and could hardly recognize him. She gasped, Have you seen my husband, the Prophet Ayyub? He smiled. It's me. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala has healed me. She fell to her knees in gratitude. Tears of joy washing away years of sorrow. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala restored their home, their family, and their honor. The same people who would shut their doors that came running to help. Amazed at the miracle of Allah's mercy, Allah said, "We found him patient. What an excellent servant. Truly, he was ever returned to us." Ayyub teaches us that patience is not weakness. It's power wrapped in humility. Faith that doesn't fade even when no one else believes. And love, the kind that endures hunger, sickness, and fear, yet never turns away from Allah. So, when life feels unbearable, remember Ayyub and the wife who stood beside him through every storm. And remember his timeless du'a, "My Lord, harm has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful." Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But until next time, I'm Dad Israel. Sign up.